What is the name of Simba's father in The Lion King? Scar, Mufasa, Rafiki, Zazu. The correct answer is Mufasa. What is the name of Earth's outermost layer? Mantle, crust, core, lithosphere. The correct answer is crust. Wagyu beef originally comes from which country? Japan, China, South Korea, Thailand. The correct answer is Japan. Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for filtering impurities from the blood? Liver, kidney, pancreas, spleen. The correct answer is kidney. Which herb is called coriander in some countries? Parsley, cilantro, basil, dill. The correct answer is cilantro. Rhinorrhea is the medical term for what condition? Earache, runny nose, sore throat, sneezing. The correct answer is runny nose. What type of pool water is the second most popular after chlorine pools? Bromine, salt water, fresh water, ozone. The correct answer is salt water. Which sport is famously played at the Big House? Basketball, baseball, American football, ice hockey. The correct answer is American football. Can you name the capital city of the world's youngest country, South Sudan, where the White Nile flows and vibrant cultures come together? Belgrade, Mogadishu, Juba, Islamabad. The correct answer is Juba. What is a group of owls commonly called? A parliament, a colony, a cluster, a brood. The correct answer is a parliament. Who is the current CEO of OpenAI? Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Sam Altman, Jensen Huang. The correct answer is Sam Altman. In the term QR code, what does the R stand for? Rapid, read, response, register. The correct answer is response. Which bone in the human body is broken most often? Arm, collarbone, leg, wrist. The correct answer is collarbone. What is the opposite of a solstice called? Equinox, eclipse, twilight, zenith. The correct answer is equinox. Who was tasked with obtaining the golden apples from the Garden of the Hesperides? Perseus, Heracles, Theseus, Jason. The correct answer is Heracles.